this has got to go. But yeah, this is looking good. Passenger side, nice coverage, nice fit. Yeah, this looks really good back here. Sliding things up here, no problem. Nice. Hey everyone, got a few videos from EVBase coming up real soon. Well, right now. This one is for floor mats, cargo mats, frunk, trunk, whole deal. The next are for a number of kick plates. I already put one of the videos. I got a few videos coming out here that covers basically all the carpeting inside your car, and all from EVBase. All the links are below. I'll put links to all the videos, everything below. Discount code TeslaMark will save you the most amount of money, and it works at all the best places. Want to protect your carpet, want to keep your carpet clean? EVBase more than has you covered. First, I'm going to tell you why you want these mats, why you need these mats. Then we're going to go through an unboxing, take a look at them a little bit closer, see what you get. Then we put them in the car, see what they look like in the car. Stay tuned. Yeah, like and subscribe, please. Cover it up, keep it clean. All right, see this? This has got to go. This is what Tesla gives you. And you know what? It's fine for driving off and getting off the lot. But see this? Not only is it carpet, which, how are you going to clean all this stuff? I mean, let's be real. I mean, it's going to wear down. Also, the biggest thing, these sides, all right, water gets over, everything's just going to get a mess. I mean, look at this. Look at all this. See this? Now look, you got this. Also, EVBase. Cover up that carpet. They also sell all kinds of things for here. Check out my other videos. Hides this carpet here. Here, he got the stylish one here that covers up, protects this carpet, keeps it from getting dirty. Again, you get this stuff dirty, you know how hard it is to clean? It's like ridiculous. Like, sure, this stuff comes off, but as soon as it gets like ground in there, you're trying to vacuum it out. Trust me, I've owned Teslas for a long time. This carpet it's nice, it's durable, but it's really hard to get out of there. Anyway, they sell another one I just made a video for that covers all of this, covers this all the way up here, all the way here, all the way up the back here. All right, so watch for that. But for now, let's get rid of these floor mats and put some real floor mats in and protect this car. All right, so check this out. This is like a massive full set. This is like option number 4, which includes like everything. Cargo mat. So these are rear seat back. So when you fold that rear seat down, it's like fully covered, fully covered. You've got your front mats here. You've got your trunk. You've got your sub trunk, your frunk, and then the rear mats here. So this is like massive full coverage. So they have like 4 different options from what I remember. I think you can get just the front seats, just the back floor, frunk and trunk, and then the rear cargo. But anyway, they split them up in some fashion. So let's take a closer look. You know, the only issue I see this with a lot of these mats is when they ship them, they get like, you know, wrinkled like this. And I just pulled them out of the box, so this stuff settles down after a while. In my experience, this is TPE, super durable material, and you've got the kind of the old school bumps here on the back to keep it from moving around. We'll see how well that works. And this is like a it's what they call like a non-slip finish or a grippy type finish, and yeah, I feel it. It's definitely grippy. There's no slipping here at all, so that's nice. And then yeah, really durable. Just feels durable, looks durable, nice. You know, important with all floor mats you get, make sure they go up. You know, whether you want to get these or not, make sure they go up, because whenever you get water or anything in there, it doesn't start going over the sides. It's really important. All right, frunk and trunk, same thing. This thing got like really crinkled up in shipping, and I don't know which one is which. We'll find out. Rear seat, same nice grip finish in there. You know, it's nice to have these grooves in here. This is where all the water is going to collect, so it's not just sitting right there on the surface. That's nice. Then yeah, cargo mat, same thing. We've got this fold. When they give it to you, it's all folded up. So I'm expecting this to settle down. This is a little bit more slippery, which I think is good. Honestly, I was a little bit, I wouldn't say worried, but I was wondering if this was going to be as grippy as the front, because really you don't want this to be super grippy, because a lot of times you're sliding stuff in here. You don't want it to be super slippery because you don't want stuff sliding around, but at the same time, you want to be able to put things in and just kind of push them around, you know, if you know what I'm saying. And then you got to have this fold here to be able to get into the sub trunk. Here, these are going to go on the back seat backs, and so that when you push those down, things are just going to be able to slide over this. So these stay on with these. This is basically the loop side of Velcro, and in my experience, these stick really well to the OEM carpet inside the Teslas, because that is like the fuzzy side of the Velcro. So yeah, these should stay on no problem. All right, let's get these suckers installed. All right, let's take a look at fit and finish. Here we've got pretty much perfect coverage all the way around. Here I'm seeing a little bit of, like, it's coming up, you know, I'm trying to being honest here with you. It seems like it fits nice, and hopefully this settles down, but it's honestly not that big of a deal. Here we're seeing a little bit of gappage here too. Again, the most important part is that it comes up. Again, it's going to block all the water and everything from draining off and getting over into the carpet. Here, you know, it's elevated, and you got a little bit of a lip here. So yeah, here we got a little bit of a gap. Again, this should settle down. Just took this stuff out of the box, but trying to be honest with you here, okay? I'm going to show you the good and the bad. But yeah, this is looking good. Let's get all the other mats in and see what we got. Passenger side looking really good. Nice coverage, nice fit. Yeah, here you see there's really no gaps here on this side. So yeah, this is looking good. Again, I've got another video out where all of this gets covered here, this carpeting. But you can see we did an upgrade here, which is nice. Got coverage for this too. This looks good. All right, let's check out the fit here. And I gotta say, this is really nice. Look at this, all the way around. Wow, this is great. Yeah, this looks really good back here. Again, you got the sides that go up to keep any liquids on the mat. Same with here, this is elevated a little bit, and you've got the lip here, so nothing's getting in there. Yeah, really smart. He's also has these covers on here, which they also sell on EVBase. You definitely want this covered. You do not want things flying in there. Yeah, this looks good. This looks really good back here. Okay, this is no good. This is just no good. All this carpet back here. You can see he barely uses this car, and it's already got stuff in here. He hardly puts anything back here, and it's just, this carpet just gets so dirty so fast. Let's cover this up. This is a must-have. All right, so not only are we going to cover this up, but seat backs, those are going to get covered too, because sure, you get a cargo mat, but as soon as you start putting big things in here, you put these seats down, you start sliding things in, what are they going to do? They're going to hit some carpet back there. With those seats down, with them up, you want those covered. Okay, so this is going to be fantastic. All right, let's get them in here and see how it looks. Just like that. All right, like I was saying before, just got this out of the box. This will, in my experience, settle down. And if you look here, it's got that fold, so you can still get in there. All right, now let's get these covered. All right, these are pretty easy to match up. Obviously, you've got the hole here, and this one's got this cutout. Matches up over here to that. And this one's gonna go here, and this one will go up here. This is going to get tucked underneath this carpet. That's good. Yeah, nice. Check this out. We are now fully covered. Velcro is actually totally strong enough to keep these guys here, that's for sure. Now, anytime you're sliding things up here, no problem. Nice. All right, anything leaks down here, water, whatever, covered. You want to throw something wet down here, covered. You see, good fit all the way around. We still have these folds in there, which again, my experience, this will settle down, but otherwise, yeah, good fit back here. Now let's get the frunk in. So this one, it fits, it's fine, it's okay. It's not perfect though, that is for sure. It's not like settled in here as well as the other ones, but that could be just because this is kind of, you know, this is plastic, everything else is carpet, so it kind of has something to grip to. This has really nothing to grip to, so it's just a little bit like this. I'm kind of showing what it's like. It's just not like laid down perfectly, and it could just be because we took it out of the box. Like I said before, everything was folded up, and honestly, I may have shown, I got to check in the other part of the video, I may have had this thing inside out when I was showing it, so it flipped the wrong way. This is how it fits in here, so yeah, you got anything, liquid, dirt, whatever, you know, you're covered.